Welcome to Grimsby, Preston, Lancashire. Little does Connor know, on his way home from school, this is about to star in the latest edition of Come Dine With Me. Ah! Connor! Shut that door!
What's he doing?
Every parent's nightmare. Football in the house.
Get the ball! Get the ball! Go on, Oscar!
Here's Vicky's menu. It's Bonfire night. Remember the 5th of November.
Pizza for starters? I don't want pizza for starters. What's that all about?
Because you made it today in home economics, you idiot. And never mind, Oscar can eat it.
Fine. There's hot pot, which I've never tried before. I will try that. And Bakewell tart. Oof.
Well, this is the kitchen. It all goes on in here. As you can see, Vicky's making our wonderful meal for tonight. What are you doing at the moment, Vicky?
I'm just peeling potatoes for our tea.
For our tea?
Yeah.
You're going to be more well-to-do than that. This is Come Dine With Me. You've got to be... try harder.
Do you want to do it?
No, not really. He's in trouble! Whilst Vicky's cooking, let's have a look upstairs. Come on, quick!
Yeah. There's a lot of nice decorations in here, even though it's a bit messy. They could have tidied up before Come Dine With Me came here.
You can say that again! Nice decorations though. She's bloody balmy, I'd say.
You're alright. Oscar's enjoying his pizza. My pizza, anyway.
Right, seeing as it's bonfire night, I'd like to propose a toast. Oh God! To Guy Fawkes!
You do know Guy Fawkes tried to kill the king, Dad?
To the king!
You do know I have a queen, Dad?
To the queen! To the king! To Guy Fawkes! Cheers!
Yes!
That went well!
So how's the hot pot, everyone?
Well, it looks like somebody's been sick on my plate.
Oh, thanks.
I'm enjoying it.
Rely on you, Connor.
Vicky's cooking the Bakewell tart! Oh dear!
Are we nearly there yet? What we're going to do is to provide your own entertainment.
Well, we're going to the pub. There's some fireworks on. Vicky likes fireworks. And so does Oscar.
I can imagine.
So it's off to the pub we go! Well, you know what they say. Once you've seen one firework, you've seen them all! Ah! Taxi! I'm going to give Vicky a 5. At the end of the day, the hot pot tasted like it had been reheated from Sunday. And the entertainment, well, we just went to the pub. Anybody could do that. 5. Turn the lights on!
I had a wonderful night this evening, and I'm going to give Vicky a 9. But wait, Dad, why are we sat on the drive? We're not moving.
In the dark! This is Come Dine With Me, that's what they do.
Oh yeah, sorry. But yes, I'm going to give her a 9. 65? It's not even a mark!
Let's try again. I think that's a 9.